Hello guys, I'm Shai and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Fluxactive before you actually buy this product. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Fluxactive is be very careful with the website that you buy the product, because Fluxactive is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access it safely. Now I'll tell you what Fluxactive is and if in fact it works. Well, Fluxactive Complete is an oral dietary product that aims to deal with prostate problems and restore confidence. Generally, this component includes 14 herbs, vitamins, and minerals necessary to eradicate bladder and prostate problems. This amazing product can offer various advantages for humans. Some of them are bladder control, improved sleep, improved overall health, and prevention of bladder infections, among others. Fluxactive Complete is a new product that can do magic in improving men's prostate health. And in addition, you can get amazing benefits compared to the other products. The main advantage of Fluxactive Complete is to increase prostate health by eliminating all causes or symptoms. It controls and improves bladder efficiency to prevent new infections. Fluxactive Complete can also improve sleep patterns and deliver impressive results to users. It can improve the overall health of human beings. In addition, Fluxactive Complete is made from natural and organic extracts that keep it free of side effects. This product also comes with several unexpected health advantages. So yes, you can trust this product. In fact, there are many people having great results with Fluxactive, and you can have results too. Something very important is that Fluxactive has a guarantee. And if you test the product and for any reason you don't like it, they return all your money back. In addition, for Fluxactive to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Otherwise, you will not see great results and you will be a little bit frustrated. And the correct way to use Fluxactive is to take 2 capsules of it every day. You take it every day without interruptions, so this is be essential to your results. And it's important you do the treatment for at least 6 months of use. You can see the initial results already in the first month of use, but most people have better results after 6 months of using this product. It's also important to know that Fluxactive is completely natural and has no side effects. Fluxactive really works, and if you are thinking of using it, you can use it without fear, because I'm sure you have a good result with it too. Just be careful on the site where you buy so you don't end up harming your health with fake products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official website of Fluxactive with guarantee for you to access. I really hope this video has helped you with the information, okay? See you. Bye.